DisplayPort to Mini DisplayPort 1. 2 cable. 3 feet, 91 centimeters, DP male to MDP female extension cable 4K x 2K. 3840 by 2400 p 60 Hz. 21. 6 gigabits per second. HBR2. 8ch audio. Multi-stream transport. MST. GTC for precise audio channel timing 3D stereo. 2560 by 1600 p 120 Hz. Reliable design. DisplayPort to Mini DisplayPort adapter cable has durable ABS connectors with flexible PVC strain relief and jacket prevent fraying or damage due to bending or rough usage. Metal connector substructure provides ME shielding. Quality construction. 32 Aruban fluorines wire with gold-plated connectors for improved signal integrity and reliability. Superior ME shielding with aluminium foil braid provide higher quality video and audio. Backwards compatible with DP1. 1. Applications. DisplayPort to Mini DisplayPort cable is ideal for home, office, boardroom, classroom. Works with laptop with standard DP port, workstations with FirePro S9000 7000s, W8100 7100s graphic cards. Use with UHD, 4K monitor, projector, display. Specs. 3 feet, 91 centimeters, black, DPV1. 2 standard DP male to Mini DP female converter 32 Aruban fluorines PVC cable jacket, ABS connector shell, shield. Aluminium foil with braid. Protocols. HBR2, MST, GTC. Top reviews from the United States. For the first couple of minutes after install, I thought this cable wasn't working. Luckily, Google reminded me to check display option multi-stream transport, MST, and verifying that it is set to off as I am only using one screen. Dell P2715Q. Once that was done, I had 3840 by 2160 at 60 Hz. 4K 2K 60 Hz. Goodness to enjoy. In addition, using the latest Crimson driver from AMD, I was able to verify DisplayPort bandwidth available up to 21.6 gigabits per second. In other words, the cable is really capable of HBR2 as advertised. One last note. I was very skeptical of being able to notice 30 Hz vs 60 Hz, but lo and behold, high-def videos look better and even my mouse tracking across the desktop is smoother. Can't say I've tried many games yet, however. I am sure 120 Hz will be the bee's knees in coming years, but for now I am loving the 4K experience.